I'll be discussing a topic which is why your foodstuff might get seized abroad. Do you know foodstuff you send from Nigeria can be seized at the border? Yeah, if it is not illegal, even if it is not illegal. Which I know of many countries, they have strict food import laws. Strict. Foodstuffs like dried fish, crayfish, egusi. If it is not properly packaged or declared, custom can destroy it. Even pepper soup can raise red flags if they can't identify the ingredients. Yeah. Ajome chip. We know the rules. We label food correctly, seal it to international standards, and prepare the right documents.